I'm Greg. This is my 74 HQ Holden.
If you're lost and you're feeling low, all stressed out with no place to go, you need something to ease your troubled mind. Social media and sleepless nights, final call for the deadline flight. All you want is to leave it all behind.
Originally came out as a 6-cylinder 202, 3 on the column I think it was, and now has the 350 Chev T350 automatic transmission with the 5,000 stall and the 9-inch diff with 3/7 gears. Just lasted all these years quite well. Always been garaged, so yeah, at least that way it stopped the rust and all that sort of thing, because these cars are really well known for rusting the boot out and all that sort of stuff on the sills. So yeah, it's all in perfect condition. Under the hood, got the 350 Chev, bored out to a 408, roller rockers, roller cam, all the good gear, and a big 650 double pumper carby on it. So it gets along quite well, big cam, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, really good engine. Yeah, no, the exhaust that's on it, yeah, when you put your foot down, still quite loud. It's got a real throaty sort of a sound with that big V8 thumping along. So yeah, still sounds good. It's making around 450 to 500 horsepower, the rear wheels. Has been out to Willowbank Raceway before I owned it, and with the 411 diff gears, it ran a 10.6, which is, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, the interior, it's all been retrimmed, basically keeping the same colour as what it came out in, that sort of brown leather. Hood lining's been redone, carpet's been redone, and yeah, plenty of padding in the seats, which makes it quite comfortable. Had the centerline wheels on it, 15x8s on the back. It had little skinny drag wheels, 15x4s on the front. Looked really good, like the drag car look, but didn't sort of handle very well. So I've gone for the 15.7s now on the front, which makes it, yeah, just that little bit better to drive, and just, yeah, handles the road quite well. Mainly just drive it on weekends, not every weekend, but sometimes we go out for a coffee somewhere or breakfast. Quite often up to Mount Tambourine, always a nice drive up there, or out to Canungra. Used to go to Willowbank Raceway quite a bit, had the 411s in the diff, which made it really fast off the mark and plenty of power. So, but then I ended up changing the 411s, took them out, put a brand new set of 3.7s in there, just so it was a little bit better on the highway, wasn't revving as much, a bit cheaper on fuel, and still super responsive though, even now when you take off, still plenty of power there, so still very happy with that.
The doctor says it's okay. Spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, the doctor says it's okay.